Chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variable. Exercise 3.3, question first. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. First part, given x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Equation first, equation second. From equation first, y is equal to 14 minus x. Shifting x in right side, that will be negative x, 14 minus x, equation third, and putting the value of y is equal to 14 minus x in equation second, we get the value of x. Putting the value of y is equal to 14 minus x in second. In this equation, we get the value of x. X minus 14 minus x is equal to 4. X minus 14 minus that will be positive, x is equal to 4. And we are shifting 14 right side, that will be 4 plus 14 x plus x, x plus x equal to 2x, that is equal to 18. This implies x is equal to 18 divided by 2. 9 2s are 18, so we get the value of x equal to 9. And putting the value of x in equation number third, we get the value of y. Put x is equal to 9 in equation third, we get the value of y is equal to 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9, this implies y is equal to 5. X equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Answer. First part, we have given x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Equation first, equation second. From equation first, x is shifting right side, equation third, y is equal to 14 minus x. And putting the value of y is equal to 14 minus x in equation second, we get the value of x. Y is equal to 14 minus x, put in this equation, x minus 14 minus x equal to 4, and minus 14 minus positive x, x plus x, that is left side, but we are shifting 14 in right side, that will be 4 plus 14, 18 is equal to 18, and 2x equal to 18 means x equal to 18 upon 2, and 18 divided by 2, 9 2s are 18, we get the value of x equal to 9. Putting the value of x equal to 9 in equation third, we get the value of y, and y is equal to 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9, that is equal to 5. So we get the value of x equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Answers. Question number first, second part. Given s minus t is equal to 3, s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. Equation number first and equation number second. From equation first, s is equal to 3 plus t. We are shifting t in right side, that will be positive t and 3 plus t. Putting the value of s in second, we get s equal to 3 plus t. We are putting in this equation second, 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. 2 multiplied by 3 plus t plus 3 into t, 3t divided by 3 2s are 6 is equal to 6 plus 2 multiplied by t, 2t plus 3t is equal to 6, 6 are 36. 2t plus 3t, that will be 5t, is equal to, shifting 6 in right side, 36 minus 6, this implies 5t is equal to 30. 36 minus 6, that is equal to 30, and t is equal to 30 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30, and we get the value of t is equal to 6. And putting the value of t in equation number 3rd, we get the value of s. Put t is equal to 6 in 3rd, we get s is equal to 3 plus 6, so s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. Answer. Given s minus t is equal to 3 and s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. First of all, s is equal to 3 plus t. It makes a 3rd equation, and putting the value of s in equation number 2nd, 3 plus t upon 3 plus t upon 2 equal to 6. 6 6 are 36, and 2 into 3, that is 6. 2 into t, that is 2t, plus 3t is equal to 36. 2t plus 3t equal to 5t, and 6 is shifting right side. 36 minus 6, that will be 30, and we want to find the value of t, that is 30 upon 5, and 30 divides 5 6 times, and t is equal to 6. And putting the value of t in equation number 3rd, t is equal to 9, we get the value of s equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. Answer. Question number 1st, 3rd part. 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Equation 1st, equation 2nd. From equation 1st, 3x is equal to 3 plus y. We are shifting y in right side, and x is equal to 3 plus y upon 3. It's equation number 3rd. And we are putting the value x equal to 3 plus y upon 3 in equation number 2nd. Putting the value of x in 2nd, we get 9 into 3 plus y upon 3 minus 3y is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9, and 3 multiplied by 3 plus y minus 3y is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9 plus 3 into y, that is 3y, minus 3y is equal to 9. Positive 3y, negative 3y, that is 0, and 9 is equal to 9. So y can have infinite real values. So x can have infinite real values because x is equal to 3 plus y upon 3. Given equation is 3x minus y equal to 3. Equation first, 9x minus 3y equal to 9. Equation second, from equation first we get 3x equal to, shifting 3 in right side, that will be positive y. Shifting y in right side, that will be positive y, and 3x equal to 3 plus y, and x equal to 3 plus y upon 3. It's equation third. And b, put the value of x is equal to 3 plus y upon 3 in equation number second. 9 into 3 plus y upon 3. 9 divides 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 plus y minus 3y equal to 9. 3 3s are 9, and 3 into y, that is 3y minus 3y is equal to 9. 9 equal to 9. So we can say that y can have infinite real values and x can have infinite real values. X equal to 3 plus y upon 3, because its value of x 3 plus y upon 3. Answer. Question first, fourth part, given 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Equation first and equation second. From equation first, 0.2x is equal to 1.3, shifting in right, minus 0.3y, and x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2. It's equation number third. And x equal, putting the value of x in equation number second, putting the value of x in second, we are putting in this equation 0.4 into 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2 plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. and that is 2. 2 multiplied by 0.2 divides 0.4 2 times, and 2 multiplied by 1.3, that is 2.6, and 2 multiplied by 0.3, that is minus 0.6y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. We are shifting 2.6 in right, and minus 0.6y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3 minus 2.6. That will be negative, and 2.6, 2.3. 6 minus 3, that is 3, 0.3, minus 0.3, because minus 2.6 is greater, positive 2.3. So that will be minus 0.6, and 0.6 minus 0.6y plus 0.5y, that is minus 0.1y. Minus minus is cancelled, and this implies y is equal to 3. And put y is equal to 3 in third. We get third equation, x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3 multiplied by 3 divided by 0.2. This implies x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.9 divided by 0.2. 0.3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 0.9, and 1.3, 0.9, 0.2. That is positive because 0.9 is smaller than 1.3. So we get the value of x is equal to 0.4 divided by 0.2, that is divisible by 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Answer. Given equation is 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3. It's equation number first, and 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3, equation second. From equation first, we get 0.2x equal to shifting 0.3y right side, that will be negative 0.3y, and x equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2. This number 0.2 multiplying by x but divides by right side, and it's equation number third. Putting the value of x in equation second, number second, that is 0.2 into 1.3 minus 0.3y upon 0.2, and b divides 0.4, 2 multiplied by 0.2, that is equal to 0.4, but 2 multiplied by 1.3, that is 2.6, and 2 multiplied by 0.3, that is equal to 0.6. 3 2s are 6. Y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. We are shifting 2.6 in right side, and that will be negative 2.6, and 2.6 minus 2.3, that is 0.3. 2.6 is greater, so we get negative 0.3 in right side, and left side minus 0.6y plus 0.5y, that will be minus 0.1y. Minus minus is cancelled, but we get the value of y equal to 3, and putting the value of y equal to 3 in equation number third, here we get the value of x, that is 1.3 minus 0.3 multiply by 3, that is 0.9, and 1.3 minus 0.9, that is equal to 0.4, and 0.4 divides 0.2 2 times. We get the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Answer. Question number first, fifth part. Given root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0, and root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Equation first and equation second. From equation first, root 2x is equal to minus root 3y. We are shifting in right side, that will be negative root 3y, and x is equal to minus root 3y divided by root 2. It's equation number third. And putting the value of x equal to minus root 3 upon root 2y in equation number second. Putting the value of x in second, we get root 3 minus root 3 upon root 2y minus 8 root 8y is equal to 0. Root 3, that is equal to 3 upon root 2y minus root 8y is equal to 0, and multiplying this minus root minus 3y minus root 16y. A2s are 16 and root 16, that will be 4 upon root 2 equal to 0. Root 2 is directly multiplied by 0, that will be 0, and minus 3y minus 4y equal to 0 minus 7y equal to 0. This implies y is equal to 0. And y is equal to 0, put in equation number third, we get x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, and answer is 0, 0. Given equation is root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0, root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0, and from equation first we get root 2x left side, but we are shifting root 3y right side, that will be negative root 3y, and x equal to minus root 3y upon root 2. It's equation number third, and we are putting the value of x in equation number second. Root 3 into minus root 3y upon root 2, root 3 multiplied by root 3, that will be negative 3y. Root is cancelled, root 3 square and minus this is cancelled, and minus root 3, 8 multiplied by root 8 multiplied by root 2, that will be root 16, that is equal to 4y, minus root 3y minus root 4 minus 4y equal to 0, minus 7y equal to 0 means y is equal to 0, and putting the value of y equal to 0 in equation number third, we get the value of x, that is also 0, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Answer is 0, 0. Question number first, sixth part. 3x divided by 2 minus 5y divided by 3 is equal to minus 2, and x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. This equation multiplying by 3 3s are 9x minus 5 2s are 10y divided by 3 2s are 6 equal to minus 2, and this equation can be write as 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 6 2s are 12. This is equation number first. 3 3s are 9, x minus 5 2s are 10y upon 3 2s are 6 is equal to minus 2, and 6 is directly multiplied by minus 2, that will be minus 12. 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12, it's equation number first, and on the same process equation second will become 2x y divided by 3 2s are 6 equal to 13 upon 6. We are multiplying this in right side, then 6 6 is cancelled, 6 6 is cancelled, and 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. It's equation number second. From equation first, 9x is equal to 10y minus 12. We are shifting 10y right side, that will be positive 10y minus 12 as it is, and 9 multiplied by x but divide by right hand side. So we get the value of x equal to 10y minus 12 upon 9. That is equation number third, and we are putting this value in equation number second. Putting x in second, we get 10y minus 12 divided by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. 2 multiplied by 10y, that is 20y. 2 multiplied by 12 minus 24. 9 multiplied by 3 plus 9 3s are 27y is equal to 13 9s are 117. This implies 20y plus 27y. We are adding 20y plus 27y equal to 47y is equal to 117 plus 24. Shifting minus 24 in right side, that will be positive, and addition of 117 and 24 is equal to 7 4 11 4 1, that is equal to 141. So 47y is equal to 141. This implies y is equal to 141 divided by 47, and which is completely divisible by 3. 47 into 3, 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, which is divisible by 3. So we get the value of y is equal to 3, and putting the value of y is equal to 3 in equation number 3rd. Here put y is equal to 3 in 3rd, we get x is equal to 10 into y is 3, put in here, minus 12 divided by 9. This implies x is equal to 30 minus 12 upon 9. X is equal to 30 minus 12, that is 18 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18. So we get the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Answer. Given equation is 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2. X upon 3 plus y upon 2 equal to 13 upon 6. 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9x minus 10y is equal to 6 LCM directly multiplying by minus 2, that will be minus 12. So equation first is 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. And on the same process in 2 multiplied by x, 3 multiplied by y, 2x plus 3y divided by 6 and is equal to 13 upon 6. 6 is cancelled. 6 is cancelled, but we get the value 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. It's equation number 2nd. From equation first, 9x equal to shifting 10y right side, that will be positive 10y minus 12, and x equal to 10y minus 12 upon 9. Equation number 3rd. And we are putting the value of x equal to 10y minus 12 upon 9 in equation number 2nd. Equation 2nd is 2x plus 3y equal to 13. We are putting the value x in here, 2 into 10y minus 12 upon 9 plus 3y equal to 13. And 2 multiplied by 10y, that is 20y. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24, negative 24. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27y. And 9 multiplied by 13, 13 9s are 117. We are shifting 24 right side, that will be positive 24, and adding 117 and 24, that will be 141. Adding 20y and 27y, that is equal to 47y. 47y equal to 141 and y equal to 141 divided by 47, and 47 3s are 141. We get the value of y equal to 3. And putting the value of y equal to 3 in equation number 3rd, here we get the value of x, that is 10 into 3 minus 12, 10 3s are 30 minus 12, 30 minus 12 is 18, and 18 divided by 9, 9 2s are 18. We get the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 answer. Thank you so much.